TypeScript tip number 1 of 10. Generics. Generics will make your TypeScript code way more flexible. They're like functions, just on the type level. They take an argument and give you a type back. Let's look at the type array as a simple example. We can type array as a string array or as a number array. And if we have a type user that has, for example, a name that's a string, we can also say it's a user array. But how can we make this more flexible? This is where generics come in. To make our type generic array truly generic, we need to pass in a type parameter t. And then we can use the generic and pass in string or number to make this type much more flexible. Let's look at a second, more helpful example. Consider this first element function that currently can only return the first element of a string array. To make this generic, we just have to remove the string type and put t in its place and then pass it in as a type parameter. Now, this function can virtually be used on any type of array. If we pass in a number array, we get the type number. If we pass in a string array, we get the type string. If we pass in an object array, we get the infer type object with the x property of type number. And as you can see, we don't even have to tell TypeScript what kind of array it is because it infers the type. That's it on generics. Follow for more TypeScript tips.